Hi there. Today's tutorial is about how to make a digital personal space that you can use in the classroom to show your teachers or your classmates what you're about, what you like, what makes you tick, just who you are as a person. And this is one of my favorite activities to do with my students. So we're going to go up here. The first thing you'll do is you will open a new Google slide. I'm going to show you my example. This is kind of what we're working on here today. So this is my personal space, and you'll see that in it I have things that I like. I like my family. I like animals. We have 3 dogs. I have posters representing things I like. I have a record player, etc. So you'll also see my personal style represented in this classroom. You're going to make one of these, except something that mirrors something that you like. So the first thing you'll do is you'll log into your G Suite, your Gmail, Google, and then create a new slide. Once you're here, go ahead and click on blank. The first thing I do is I delete any box that has already populated the space because we're not going to use a lot of text today, so I'm going to get rid of that. And then I have kind of just this blank space. First thing I will do is go up here to Insert, Image, Search the Web. And I'm going to pick my flooring. So let's type in hardwood flooring. We have a lot of different options. Any of these really would work. I'm going to pick, I don't know, maybe just this guy right here. And grab that, and then I want to make it look like a floor, sort of like 3D, so I'm going to use the arrows to simply drag the floor across the screen, like so. The next thing I'm going to do is insert another image. This time I might use something like wallpaper. I'm going to find just some cute wallpaper. Now, not everything is going to work over here. You can also use just the internet in general, just the web, but let's see if I can find something that I want to use today. This is what I used in my example, so I'm going to keep going. I'm going to use this guy, drag him over, and again, just fit it to my room like so. Okay, great. So I might have to do like some resizing as I go along. Okay, so here we have just kind of a background to a virtual classroom. The next thing I will do is go back to Insert. I want to start adding some things that represent who I am as a person. So I'm going to go back to Image, and this time I'm going to add, I like to cook, I like to eat, so I'm going to go ahead and add dining room table. And I'm going to go an extra step and add transparent background. Now, I may or may not have success with this, but if I add something like, say, this, for example, let's say I click on that, that's going to come with a background. And so obviously trying to put that into my classroom doesn't work and it looks awkward. So let's not do that. That's why I go to transparent background and I find something that I like. I don't know, it might not work. I'm going to click on this. It looks like it has a transparent background. It does. Perfect. You kind of have to play around with that. Some things do and some things do not have a background. I'm going to just drag it to position it how I want it. Boom. And then we have a little table. Now I use Bitmoji. I don't know if that is a requirement where you are, but I have downloaded and installed Bitmoji onto my Chrome. So it's an extension up here. I'm going to click that. This is best done on a phone, but I have also added it to my computer. So what you'll see here, okay, this is a Bitmoji of my husband because I added him to my classroom. So you'll just simply grab and drag a Bitmoji if you have created one, and they do not have backgrounds, so they're automatically transparent. And this is how you create a virtual space. So I am leaving you with a slide that has an example and additionally some other Bitmoji templates that you can use if you are not comfortable creating your own. So the background, the backdrop, and you can simply then just drag and add your own special symbols or special things that you want people to know about you. That is how you create a Bitmoji classroom. I hope you have fun. It's been really fun for me and my students. So it's a great way to get to know each other. Enjoy.